So how you can make $1,000 or even $2,000 in a day with Google Ads affiliate marketing. So let's go straight into it. As you can see here on my screen, I'm sharing with you the success formula in 4 steps. So what are those 4 steps? As you can see over here, right? First of all, you have to invest in some sort of advertising. So let it be YouTube ads, Facebook ads, in this case Google Ads, and I'm going to explain to you later why Google Ads, right? So for example, you invest $600, let's say a month, on advertising, right? The second step is you do that by to generate leads and clicks to your mini website or blog page, right? You want to generate leads, and those leads gonna convert to sales, of course, if you did the pre-sale and pre-frame correctly on your pre-sale page or landing page. And then the third step is make sales and collect the money, affiliate commissions, and rinse and repeat, right? So that's all basic step-by-step system. Now the next thing is, right, for example, on MaxWeb, or if you're promoting on ClickBank, there's one product that we promoted and the conversion rate is 2.7%, right? But as you can see over here, the product price is $69. So that is the product price. Now the money that you are getting as an affiliate, it's $100 payout. So for every health supplement that it's sold through your affiliate link, you are going to get, yes, you are going to get $100 in a day or per sale affiliate commission, even though the product costs $69, right? So the MaxWeb is paying you more CPA, right? They're paying you more than what the actual cost of the product is, right? It's a very good thing, because if you do the math, right, if you're going to do math together later, if you're making only one sale per day with Google Ads, you're at $100 a day. So that's also $3,000 per month, right? So very good income that you can make if you take this very seriously. Now, let me give you one super affiliate tip. Especially if you're a newbie, or if you're just trying to make much more money and not waste money, right? So as you can see over here, right, the first tip is don't only sell, but try to get leads as well, right? What do I mean by that? For example, once the prospect, right, opt in to your email list, right, then if you have the autoresponder set up correctly, and when we do this together one-on-one, right, you have the customer basically, or let's say the person, the visitor who visits your website, you are going to automatically send them emails every single day, right? So you don't have to write emails, it's all done for you, but 23 days they will receive every single day new email from your email autoresponder, right? So what I'm talking about this is because, as you're going to see later by the math, right, this is the fastest way to build your email list, right, which is your own, what you own is an asset, and also earn commissions. So the average return on investment for email marketing, it's actually $42 for every dollar spent. Now, very good math, right? Now do the math now. Let's say we get 1,000 clicks, okay? 1,000 clicks. Out of those 1,000 clicks, 100 click and check your lender, right? So one out of, let's say 10%. Now out of 100 people, 50 people go on the ClickBank or whatever you're promoting, MaxWeb vendor page, and actually look at VSL, right? The video, not yet buy, just look at it, right? And out of 50 people buys, 5 people buy. So what happened with the rest? They're gone. You wasted your money, right? Or not. If you just do, as you can see over here, let's go back. If you not only sell, but try to get leads, right? So you email them by autoresponder, follow up, email sequences, and then maybe on day 3, maybe on day 6, maybe on day 10, they decide and buy the supplement or buy something else, or ebook or whatever. And that's how you can make money based on the email follow-up sequences, right? So you don't waste the leads, right? Not everyone going to buy immediately on the spot, but you will collect their email and send them email every single day with autoresponder. And that's what we do, right? That's why you need to have someone who's going to help you along the way, step by step, all right? So what do I do with pre-sale pages or mini website? First of all, this is one of the strategies that I can give you. It's attention, right? We capture attention with the headline. Interest, right? We get their interest going, then we invoke desire, and at the end is action, call to action, buy now or check out this video or something like that, right? So that's how it works. It's simple step by step, but you have to understand how to put it together correctly. That's why you need to have someone who will show you how to have a compliant website or pre-sale page. Another thing is you need to understand what is market awareness and market sophistication, right? So market awareness, are they product aware? Are they niche aware? Are they totally unaware audiences? So that's what matters if you really want to have the right message to market match, right? So why I love Google Ads, as I told you many times, is because buyers' intent is over the top. It's very high. People go on Google to look for solutions or kind of information about the products, right? The reviews, or they look for the basic value, right? Information, education. So when you put your link, your affiliate website there, people will see, click, and then they can decide to buy, right? If you did your steps correctly. So this is the process that you can know. And now another thing, how to get 90% conversions with this mini site that I talk about, is first of all having the great opening, right? AKA headline, then transition. We go into the transition. That's why we need content rich lander, then close, call to action, of course. So that's how it works. 3 simple steps, but you have to understand you need to position it correctly. Now, again, upsell take rate is very important, right? Sometimes you're gonna have a product, a supplement, which costs, like, you will get $100, and then maybe 2 weeks later, the person, or 1 week later, gonna buy another supplement for brain health, heart health, liver, kidney, whatever, right? From the email follow-up sequences, right? And by the way, you don't have to do that yourself. It's all done for you. And you can earn extra $5,000 in a month or a week just by having this great product with upsell take rate, right? So you can make money extra from all the upsells that are happening behind. So if you're watching this video right now, what you can do next? So if you want to get results with affiliate marketing, running Google Ads, to do quality products, I'm talking about high quality products, very important things, because you want to promote only high quality products, so you can also get high enough upsell take rate and make easy $10,000 or $5,000 per month extra just from having upsell flow set up correctly, right? So if you want to have stress-free, sustainable long-term income, what you can do is you can subscribe to my channel, you can like this video, and below this video you can also connect with me one-on-one. And what I'm giving you here is, as you can see over here, right, you can get on a short coffee date with me on Zoom call. So you can do one-on-one Zoom call, we do it together, we review what's working, and that's how you can get sustainable results, right? We are in the trenches, in the niches, working together as we go, right? So you can get some kind of hand holding, some kind of support, and move forward, right? So what you can do is you can connect with me on Instagram, or email, WhatsApp. All the links are below in the description.